I just want you to come into awareness, right? And that's sort of my aim. And I think that branding is a unique aspect to that, because if you think about it, brand and awareness kind of go hand in hand. When you say like, that's kind of like how you identify your brand is like having some awareness about who you are, what you represent, who you want to be in the world, right? How you face up, either from if you're a business owner in that respect, or if just in your profession.
A podcast interview where he was asked what personal branding means, and he said it's really your reputation. A lot of people overcomplicate it, which I agree with, but you don't need to overcomplicate it because it really is just your reputation. And that part I disagree with. So I think of your reputation as a part of your brand. There's no doubt about it, right? Your reputation is, what do people know about you? How do people feel about you?
And the reputation piece is more if your brand consistent. And so if your brand consistent, then your reputation is going to be that like, yes, this is consistently like who they are. It's kind of like McDonald's. It's probably one of the biggest brands that almost everybody worldwide knows, right? They've done a good job of letting the world know that we're here, we exist, this is what we stand for, this is who we are. And so when you go to McDonald's, you're not necessarily expecting a Michelin star experience, because that is not what they've promised you. They've told you what they stood for, what they offer, what they have, none of those things, right? And so, but what you do know is what they've set out, right? What they have said that they stand for, you're going to get.